Today, take a look at the 11-inch Android tablet. Alright, so there is the tablet. We can see we got basically everything already labeled on here. That is actually very nice. We do have stereo speakers. We got them on the left and the right. We have a front camera, 2 back cameras, as well as a flashlight. Nothing else on the right, the bottom, the top. On the left side, we do have our buttons. So this is volume plus and minus. We got our power, micro SD card slot, Type-C for charging and connectivity, and this nice quick start guide that they included with it. We do also have a full user manual, as well as our charging cable, and we have a power supply. So the power supply says that's good for 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. And that charging cable is a USB-A to USB-C. So let's go ahead and get that guy charging up. That's nice. So it does actually come with a 98% charge to begin with, so that is great. And it looks like it also comes with a case. It is a rubbery cloth material. We also got a cutout for our cameras and our flashlight, so I appreciate that. It has this plastic grip that goes all the way around the outside, and we have a soft cushion there on the inside. I really like that we don't have to go out and buy our own case for this guy. It comes with literally everything you need. So let's go ahead and power this guy up. So this does have Wi-Fi available on it, so you can connect to our internet. And it says that it is going to download updates. I'll go ahead and give that a little time, and we'll come back to it. While it's doing that, let's go ahead and drop this guy in. So that's just like a semi-rigid rubber case, and that does have holes cut out for our cables and our buttons. So we can connect to an account that we already have, or we can make a new one. Let's go ahead and make a new account. And we do have for personal use for my child, for work or my business. So if you want to set up, for example, safety features on here, we can do that. I'm going to set it up for myself. Okay, that has actually got a pretty decent speaker on it. So that does come pre-installed with everything that you would expect from an Android device. So if you ever used an Android phone, then you know what all this is. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of my videos. Okay, so that has got a very nice frame rate. I'm not seeing any frame drops or anything like that. Speakers are definitely acceptable. We got our home screen right there. We've got our back button right there. And we got our recently opened right there. One thing I'm noticing about this right now is everything's very snappy, which is important for a tablet. You want it so that when you're actually swiping or clicking on things that it's actually responding, and this one is, so I appreciate that. So we do have our internet, we've got Bluetooth, okay, and we do have Bluetooth on this device, so if we want to pair that with a Bluetooth keyboard or something like that, we can do that. Flashlight, let's turn that on, and we can see we do have that flashlight right there. Of course, got airplane mode, so if we want to turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and everything, we've got that as an option. Auto rotate is currently on, so if we take this guy and flip it, that will accommodate whatever orientation we want to put that on. We have screencast, so if we want to throw that guy on our TV, we can do that. Very nice being able to control everything right here from our tablet, but still be able to view that on a larger TV. QR code scanner, screen record, so we can record the screen. We do have a microphone, so if we want to talk to somebody, if we want to do like video calling, we got that as an option. Quick share, screenshot, read mode, security and privacy. This is just genuine Android, so this is everything you would expect of an Android tablet. So I am most interested in the hardware on here right now. We can see for our storage, so this is how much is built in, not including the SD card, so if you want to, you can make this even higher. But we are looking at 107 gigabytes free with 16% used, so it's probably 124 gigabytes somewhere around there, and then it used 16% for the operating system and all the software that's on here, which means you still have 107 gigabytes free for whatever kind of games or software that you want to install on it. So we are currently at 50% brightness. We can turn that up in case we are working outside, so that actually gets very bright, which is excellent. We also have dark theme. I don't need to show you everything that is on Android, but it is nice to see that all this is in fact here on the tablet. All right, so it does say we got 128 gigabytes. They're calling this the K70 Pro. There is 8 gigabytes plus 24 gigabytes of RAM. We got a 1920 by 1200 resolution. The battery is 8,000 milliamp hours, so that is excellent. The CPU is calling that a UMS9230E. That is an Octa-Core processor up to 1.8 gigahertz. Definitely plenty enough for playing whatever kind of games that you find on the Play Store. And for our cameras, we got a 16 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. Let's go ahead and do a system update. It might already be updated, but it is always a good idea to find out, and it looks like we are, so that is great. Let's try the camera app. And that does appear to take a pretty decent picture. Let's go back. Let's try the reverse camera. And there we go. So we got both cameras and they both are working. We do of course have our email. So this is all the Google stuff right here. If you want to look at our photos, our drive, let's go to our Gmail. And there we go. You got our Gmail right there. So if you want to send or receive emails from the tablet, we can do that. Let's go to the Play Store. We do have the full Play Store right there. So if you have any games that you're used to playing on your Android phone, that is also going to be available right here. But more importantly, you're going to have that on a full 11-inch tablet. So you're going to be able to see everything much easier. It's going to just make everything feel a lot better. So this is a game I used to play quite a bit, and it was nothing like this at any point. But it is definitely a lot nicer being able to play that on a larger display where we can actually see what we are looking at. So yeah, that's cool. So let's go ahead and make a screenshot. I'm going to go back. Let's go there and go to our photos. Here we go. Yeah. I mean, again, this is all just Android. If you're used to using Android, you already know how to use this thing. And that's probably the greatest thing about it. The fact that we got all this hardware on this device for the price that you're paying for it, there is really an incredible value here. So if you're looking for a tablet, especially an 11-inch tablet, maybe you even got some hardware like a sewer camera or something like that and needs to have a display and you want to use something bigger than your phone, this is going to be a perfect solution for that. Can't beat the price, can't beat the hardware, can't beat the software that's on it. This is a fantastic tablet.